Good morning, Legion. It's been a big week for AI, so let's get right into it. Starting up hot, fresh off the press, Anthropic has announced Project Glasswing, a cybersecurity initiative built around a new unreleased model called Claude Mythos Preview. Over the past few weeks, Mythos has autonomously found thousands of zero-day vulnerabilities across every major operating system and web browser. Yes, that's code red. That includes a 27-year-old flaw in OpenBSD and a 16-year-old bug in FMMPEG that automated tools had hit 5 million times without ever catching it. Anthropic brought in AWS, Google, Microsoft, Cisco, CrowdStrike, JP Morgan, NVIDIA, Palo Alto Networks, and the Linux Foundation to use the model on the defensive side. They're also putting up to $100 million in usage credits behind it, plus $4 million in donations to open source security groups. As CrowdStrike CTO put it, the window between a vulnerability being discovered and being exploited by an adversary has officially collapsed. Keeping up with Anthropic, the company also signed a new deal with Google and Broadcom for multiple gigawatts of TPU capacity coming online starting in 2027. Their run rate revenue just passed $30 billion, up from around $9 billion at the end of last year. That is an astronomical increase. The number of customers spending over $1 million a year with them has doubled in less than 2 months. It's now at over 1,000. Most of this new compute, notably, will be in the United States. Over at Meta, the new superintelligence labs introduced Muse Spark, the first model in the Muse family. It's natively multimodal with tool use, visual reasoning, and a new contemplating mode that runs multiple agents in parallel to go up against Gemini DeepThink and GPT Pro. Meta says the new pre-training stack hits the same level as Llama 4 Maverick with over 10 times less compute. It's live now on Meta.ai and the Meta AI app. Also in the AI space, Perplexity launched the $1 billion build. It's an 8-week competition where teams use Perplexity Computer to build a company with a credible path to a $1 billion valuation. Up to 3 winners share up to $1 million in seed investment with the Perplexity Fund, plus up to $1 million in computer credits. You need an active Perplexity Max or Pro subscription to enter. Head to the Perplexity site and sign up today. And now we're just going to close with a quick ecosystem update. Ledger released Wallet 4.0 with native swaps powered by Near Intense alongside OKX, 1inch, and Valora. Over 50 providers now compete for the best rates across 15,000 assets and 90 chains right inside the Ledger app. Hardware wallet users get intent-based execution without ever leaving their device. Between Mythos changing what defenders can do, and by the way, check out Trezor if you're worried about how Mythos might impact crypto security, and Muse Spark pushing multimodal reasoning, the AI frontier continues to move exponentially quickly. That's all for today. We'll do this again real soon.